Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. Please see the pattern. 3 equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus 4 times square root of It is interesting. In this video, we will develop the pattern and share how to generate it step by step. Please keep watching the video to know the process. At first, let's find the pattern. 3 equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus 4 times square root of There's 1 plus another square root in each square root. And in the next net, there is 2 times a square root. Next net, increase the number by the number difference 1. So 3 times square root, then 4 times square root, and so on. Okay, let's check how to generate this kind of pattern. From 3 equal to 9 square root. 9 compared to the pattern, 9 distribute to 1 plus 8. Now we have 1. And 8 should become 2 times square root. So 8 equal to 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equal to 2 times 16 square root. Okay, the pattern is similar. Continue to process from the number 16. Equal to 1 plus 15. 15 should be equal to 3 times square root, means equal to 3 times 5. Then 3 times 5 equal to 3 times 25 square root. Next, 25 equal to 1 plus 24. 24 equal to 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equal to 4 times 36 square root. Next, 36 equal to 1 plus 35. 35 equal to 5 times 7. 5 times 7 equal to 5 times 49 square root. 49 equal to 1 plus 48. 48 equal to 6 times 8. Then the pattern can be continued by this operation. Now you find the numbers increase by number difference 1 from the second net to each net. Finally, the pattern is 3 equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 1 plus 5 times square root of Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.